Honestly, it is probably the sketchiest one we've done.
We have to pull this whole thing up here.
Okay, yeah, that'll work. Don't let it go! I'm not giving up on this video. I will not! That could not have gone better. Hey you guys, welcome to another amazing episode of Braille Scary Builds. And today, we're going fishing for some Carlos's, brother.
Yeehaw.
So you guys may or may not have seen a video we did on the Braille Army channel a while back. It was called Whip My Eyeball Off. It was called the Bridge of and Rowan, you may have to censor that because we can't say that word anymore without getting in trouble on YouTube. So bear with me, people. But basically what we did is we got the 20-foot box back when it was a little more structurally stable. We made some support beams right here and laid it across the entire mini ramp and had an entire session on top and down it. And by we, I mean Carlos and Nigel and Fetty and Uzi. I just filmed. But now we have Dan here and we thought that video did really well. You guys seem to enjoy it. So let's give you another version of this video, but up the ante. Are you trying to lasso Nigel in his area? He's gonna come out and shoot you with the crossbow.
Here he comes. Oh, I got a big one, brother! Whoa, brother! Brother! He's a big one, brother!
We got away this time.
Okay, so we have an idea for how we're gonna do this video. Let me just run you through it real quick and then we're gonna start building it and then Carlos will skate it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get the 20-foot box back on top of the Brailledrop. This time we have rope. The bungee was way too sketchy, so we're not gonna do that again. And then, once we get the 20-foot box up there and onto a safe zone, we are going to get all of the boxes and we're gonna stack them on top of each other until we reach a high enough length so that we can push the 20-foot box out and make the bridge of bleep over here. We're gonna need some ladders, we're gonna need some boxes, we're gonna need a Nigel, and we're gonna need a lasso. Let's get it. So the first things first is getting the 20-foot box up there. That's the hardest thing. I think we should do that first. Wow, Dan. So last time we cut the holes in there, put the bungee through it, and then pulled it up, right? It should be easier with rope, but I'm afraid I'm gonna like cut my hands off. All right, now we have another one. No, here, use this one as the bottom support because you can cross it and then go like this.
Oh, see, this is what I was thinking.
Oh. Oh, watch it, Dan!
See, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, yeah, that'll work. We'll have Nigel guide it down here, or Uzi. I don't know who's gonna freak out more.
He's already freaking out.
So anyways, yeah, we just line it up. And we can also like put a ramp if you think that it'll be easier going up a ramp.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So we'll put the ramp, then we'll all go up there, pull it at the same time with all of our combined force. I think it'll be enough. With the strength of Cthulhu, we will prevail. This is scary. All right. I feel like freaking Spider-Man. You guys just come up here, we'll pull it up enough so that we can reach from the top of the Brailledrop.
Where's Uzi?
I don't know, you know, he's right there. Look at him. Uzi, get over here. I already feel like this is going way better than the first time we did this though. Here, you go right up there, I'll hand this to you. I think we need all hands on deck up here. So we need Dan, Carlos, and Nigel all up here, all pulling at the same time. And then we got it.
Get up there, Uzi.
It's not fine.
Somebody go get the drill and screw the antler. We have to pull this whole thing up here.
Oh my God, I'm sliding.
What's up?
What's it on?
I don't know.
Oh, there you go. Got it. Okay.
That's like a gnarly roller coaster.
Jeez. I'm so heavy. Oh.
Dang! Push, Nelson! Nelson!
Nothing push! Pull that!
I'm sliding!
I can't get it!
I'm sliding!
Oh, shoot.
More weight up here. Go down there and help him push.
Stand on it, Carlos.
Oh,
No! Don't let it go! What's on this side? What's happening? Fetty, don't get crushed. Oh, there you go, there you go!
go. Pull
Yeah, that's it, man.
Woo!
That was easy, brother.
That went so well. That could not have gone better. It feels like I just put my hand in the oven for 5 minutes.
That sucked.
Okay, now we just gotta get all the other boxes and stack them on top of each other until we get them tall enough to support a 20-foot box up there. There you go. The bridge of beep. Doom. The bridge of doom. The bridge of doom. So we can use the two 12-inch boxes here, and then we can use a 10-inch, and then the super wide 14-inch one here. And then theoretically that's 4, that's 8, plus another 16 inches, 11, 112 inches, which would put us at roughly 9.33 feet, which theoretically should be the exact perfect height.
Prop it up with 2x4s as well. We have that. If we need to, yeah.
We got this, let's do it. This is gonna be kind of sketchy. Yeah. All right, let's go, team. The Uzi.
I got it. I'm helping.
If the boxes need to be this way, these need to be that way. Wait. How?
Oh my god.
I am sorry to whoever's water that was. We need 6-inch box on top of those. That's the next course of action. And this is the heaviest one for no apparent reason.
Come on, Dan.
You're not out of this one yet, Dan. Okay, you know what? Every single comment about this video from now on, if you have not already commented, I want you to call out Uzi for how lazy he is right now.
I'm doing my job.
Nope, that's what he says every time.
This is your job
Every
too,
time
though.
he's doing his job. This is your job right now, brother. Hashtag lazy Uzi revolution. Oh, the mic almost ripped.
I don't think this is high enough.
I think.
According to my calculations, we need about 2 more feet.
Just 2?
Wait, go back. Yeah. Not sketchy at all.
That's good.
Oh, that's solid. That's good. That was the scariest thing we've ever done, Dan. Okay, now we need the big one and that one standing up on their side again. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but I think we got it.
Up. Watch your fingers. Dang. Holding up the world over here.
We're so close though. Literally, if we just get these on the side though, it'll work. Whoa! Whoa, dude, it's perfect. I don't even think we need another layer. This is it.
Don't stand too far on that edge, brother.
Now we just need to get that big one up here, and I think we're fine. Honestly, it is probably the sketchiest one we've done.
The most doomful.
Doomful? Leave it in the comments if hazardarius is a new word. Hazardarius? Hazardous. It flows off the tongue so well. The definition is like potential for hazard.
Yeah, it's hazardous.
Hazardarius.
It's good enough. Okay, so we need to flip it upside down, and then we can lift it up there, then we just push it that way.
Physics.
Watch this over. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's light work, brother. Light work.
There you go. Nice.
The build looks actually really cool. Kind of proud of it, you know, it's like an art monument right now.
Give me a boost, he says.
Carlos is like,
I'm sorry, Nelson. If somebody dusts his back off, please.
Hey, you stay under there, and you lift up the 20-foot box from underneath. We'll push it over you.
That's very hazardous.
Let's go upstairs.
Ow.
Oh, there you go, on the coping.
oh, that's not good. You don't want to skate that. You got to go back an inch.
No, just keep pushing, no hang.
Hey, nobody listens to Daniel. He's just an old fool. The whole box that's broken off is now hanging off the edge.
Oh!
Hey, oh, hey, who said this? I said the second box is hanging off the edge.
It's like a trap door.
Oh my God! What happened to it? It fell apart?
Spear ball!
I will not give up. I will not. I've never been more determined for anything.
You can't even hold it.
Will not give up on this video. I'm gonna turn off the mic though. There you go. Good luck, brother.
First try.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I don't know how he does that stuff first try, man. That is insane. I think Nigel wants to try it. You got it, Nigel.
That's the sketchy part, it's right there. Alright, I hate myself. I hate myself. Oh my god. That sounds scary!
What do you think, man?
He's got. He just needs to commit. He's got it.
He doesn't need to
He
commit
can do
yet.
it.
I just understood, Dan, why there is 50 flavors. Because there's 50 states. This is America in a bottle. Yep. Howard! I told you this is secret stuff.
Tell the camera, how was that?
Terrifying.
Post-game interview.
Terrifying.
How was that?
Terrifying. You know what? I went into it in the first half like, I can't do this. And then I talked to Gab, my coach, and then he was like, brother, you got this. You gotta believe. You get a little bit of the believing, and you get a lot of the believing, and then you just do it. Bless you guys.
His hat just went right past my ear and I heard, oh, and the America juice.
Thanks to the freedom juice. The freedom juice got me through this. My partner's here, encouraging me. Thank you guys. Is this a mic or is this your fist? I don't. Thank you.
It's the Liberty Brew,
This video is not sponsored by Mountain Dew.
No.
Does anyone else have any other tricks they want to try on it?
I'm chilling. The Liberty Brew, brother. 280 calories, I'm gonna be fat. Lay off the frijoles, Carlos.
That'll do it right there. That was the extreme bridge of doom, of hazardarity,
Hazardarius.
scarolarity. I can't top that.
Scarolarity factor was high on this one.
It was.
Sketchability.
I don't even know what we're saying anymore. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely do not try this at home. You should learn how to skateboard. Definitely do that at home. But don't build this in your house and try it off your roof. That's a bad idea. But we'll come and do it. And by that I mean Carlos.
We'll bring the waivers.
Yep.